If you're watching this video, it means you're coming across one of the most honestly documented videos and journey from Hargeisa, the capital city of Somaliland, to Addis Ababa, the capital city of Ethiopia. If you're someone who thinks about traveling anytime in your life to Ethiopia or Addis and wants to stay in a hotel in Addis, this is what kind of life you would experience. This is what kind of food you would eat. And this is what kind of interactions you would expect. So over the course of this video, you will see from a first hand myself traveling from Hargeisa with the culture and the spirit that is down there in Hargeisa to Addis Ababa, which is very different, and you will see through the lens of Najibaabi, the international traveler that's making this vlog. So enjoy and stay tuned until the end of this video. Thank you very much. For the past 7 months or 8 months I've been spending here in Hargeisa, I've been really happy doing exhibitions. I've actually conducted 2 exhibitions here and it's been really fun. But I think in the coming 5 days or 4 days, I'll be traveling out of the country. I'll be traveling to Nairobi. So this is the start of documenting my vlog, and you will be staying with me throughout the process. I have applied for my visa just a few days ago online, and I have done my what you call e-visa, and that e-visa has arrived today. It was approved, and that means we're gonna travel on the 22nd of June, and we're gonna be leaving the country. I'll be meeting some of my school friends. I'll be meeting some of my old friends, and I'll be meeting some other artists. So just see you there until we start traveling and moving around. At the beginning of this video, you will realize that I said I'm getting approved for my Kenyan e-visa. But also what you need to realize is I was traveling from Hargeisa and then having a layover in Addis for over 24 hours. And these 24 hours definitely are an example of how you can live in Addis Ababa. And also the fact that I was staying in a hotel that is outside of the airport, the very international Ethiopian airport, which serves a lot of countries in the East Africa and also serves for all of the connection flights that happen in the East Africa. Really gives you a very honest and very different experience that you would have in Addis Ababa as an international traveler. So today is the day I'm heading out. Like I told you, it's the time to get to the airport. I got family here. Got my family right here. They're picking me up right now in the car. We got some neighbors. It's going to be really good. And I think the next thing we look out for is getting to the airport and departing on that plane for the one and last time. See you very soon. So I'm heading out, almost getting into the airport. Let me show you what that looks like. Finally here at the airport. It's right there. We're gonna fly out for the first time and last time. I'm just gonna say one last goodbye to my sister. Thank you very much. See you soon while we're doing the check-in.
belgame ፈጥኜ ልድረስ ከሱ ድክምክም አለ ጋሪው እንደ ፈረሱ ቼ በልጋሜ ፈጥኜ ልድረስ ከሱ
So we have just arrived at the Ethiopian airport. It's called Addis Ababa International Airport. Things were not very easy. I did not film any time after I was at that car park in the Degay International Airport in Hargeisa. I also could not film in the airplane. I just took a bit of shots. But again, we're here now at the airport in Addis, and that means we're getting a hotel, getting a very good layover and having a good time, I guess. And I'm definitely gonna show you what the hotel room looks like and what the service looks like. Problem now is I got sick in the process and had to put a jacket on because it was very cold, but all good. See you very soon at the hotel. So I just got another information. We're waiting for a bus that is gonna take us to the hotel. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Can't wait to see what the hotel looks like. Yeah, stay tuned and let's see what that looks like.
Galaite manabe tiksufi maltute nanane badaf gamojin puai fana keda chufu abai nalarke sena daga fadarbe wadaf galaite manabe tiksufi maltute nanane badaf gamojin puai fana keda.
So apparently we're walking to the hotel right now, but before we get to the hotel, of course, we have to take that bus to the hotel. But I can't imagine how beautiful this place looks. Like, sick, I can't believe it, man. It's really beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. I am honestly just following the crowd right now. I don't even know where I'm going. Probably still in the right direction. Yep, so that could not have been me. I was going with the wrong crowd. I got stopped. I was told I was going to the Skylight Hotel, of course, which is part of the airlines. So I'm gonna have to wait here for a little bit, and the shuttle is gonna arrive here for us. I'm sure anybody could have told me this at this point. Like, Addis looks mad, looks beautiful. Like, I did not expect this to be in Addis. Like, even like just to look into town and look at those skyscrapers. I guess here we go. Shuttle is here. Just waiting for me to get on. Let's go. Hello. This looks pretty good to me. The shuttle itself looks better than a hotel. Might have to stay in here better than hotel. Yeah, looks good. All right, I just came into the hotel room. This looks pretty cool. It looks beautiful. And just down there in the elevator, I had the best interaction. I met three men from Congo and we just started speaking in French. Like, it was the best interaction I had so far. I think I had good friends there. They definitely carried on socializing pretty well, and that was the best. But I'm pretty impressed with this hotel room. Like, this is beautiful, and this is what you find in a skylight hotel in Addis Ababa. Normally, this is what the Ethiopian Airlines offer as part of their ticket, and it's the layover. So normally, this is what you would have as a layover to pretty much anywhere you're going to the next morning. And so I'm gonna crash here for tonight. Definitely, I'm gonna keep you in the loop. But I love this. Yeah, I think we should explore before we do anything else. So maybe let's take a look at the bathroom. That's a glass door. I almost walked into there. Yeah, this is the bathroom. There's not a lot of light going on here, I'm afraid. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Don't know what we can turn the lights on here. Could that be? Yeah, maybe we should, because you know, in Ethiopia, light is something. So there we go, we found it. It's actually a lot of light in here. And what is that? Is that a ring light? I love this. This is a pretty cool room. Definitely up for like filming and, you know, videographing, and definitely up for TikTok. Like, look at this, look at this. You can see everything, pretty much. You can see my eyelashes. Boom. I love it. I think this is where we're gonna do the live tonight. You're gonna be there at TikTok. Definitely, this is it. Let's go. Definitely hyping up myself because I'm alone in here. But again, what is better than living in this room by your own? I think the next thing that happens here is dinner. I might go dinner on my own, or you guys might come along, but definitely dinner is gonna be something. And then we're gonna carry on either this morning, tomorrow morning I mean, or with the dinner. But let's go what happens next. All right, so we're coming back with two things. We're coming back with Wi-Fi and with a very good dinner. I was told not to film in the dinner, but I still have done some just to show you what the dinner looks like. Dinner wasn't so bad, but again, it's Ethiopian, so Ethiopian dinner might have always problem with your stomach, so it's kind of acting up right now, but I'm gonna be fine because I'm gonna sleep. And of course, this was good because I was kind of sick from a cold, and so definitely have a good meal and have a good rest. That definitely would help me with the cold. I think we're about to be the luckiest here, because I just figured out my room has a huge balcony, and I don't think all the rooms in here have a balcony. Because look at this, look at this, look at this. We can just easily go out here and watch Addis overhead, man. Look at this. Wow. This is incredible, guys. You need to see this. Yeah, that's it. That is it. And they've got a pretty little seat here. So I'm definitely gonna sit down here for a sec, and I'm just gonna show you around. Yeah, I couldn't believe it, man. This looks incredible. Really beautiful. Definitely too expensive for just an airplane room or, you know, a place to stay for a layover. I really love it. It's incredible, man. I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know if I'm captivated because I haven't been around or outside for this whole year, because I was staying in Hargeisa for this year to give back to the community. But I think this is really something. And it's coming in the right time because I have never stayed in a layover in Addis. And so I'm just experiencing what Addis Ababa looks like. I would always just stop in Addis Ball International Airport and I would just like leave, right, within a few hours to Europe. But this is the first time I'm staying officially in Addis Ababa and it looks incredible. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. I think this is gonna be it for the last time, so see you tomorrow. So I'm just up here now. I woke up a few hours ago and had a big shower. I think it was really nice. Not very good sleep though because I was kind of sick and it was kind of a rough sleep. But it was pretty comfortable and pretty cozy, and this is a very nice room. But what I'm gonna do now is definitely gonna head out to breakfast, have some breakfast, and get out of here because I think I have 3 hours to catch my next flight, and I'm already away from the airport. I am in a hotel in town, and so I think we have to at least get there earlier before anything changes our plan. So see you at the airport.